My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the Internal Revenue Service. Welcome to my YouTube station. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. I've been doing this work for a long time. I have been in private tax defense for 41 years. I've been on the national news many times. Just go to my website at 777irs.com and you can learn all about me. There. I used to settle cases for the Internal Revenue Service. I was one of those people who worked the Offer and Compromise program. I know it I've known the Offer and Compromise program through the years. As a matter of fact, I'm writing a book on it. I want to tell you why you've been misled about these programs. People want your money. I used to settle the cases. I know that. I get all the complaints on this cell phone here when people have gone south. They've given firms money and you've lost a bag and you've got false promises, no communication. A salesperson talked to you, you can't get a hold of them. Let me tell you about the Offer and Compromise program and why this is it's nothing but an advertising and a marketing dream to try to trick people and mislead you. Do not give anybody any money for an offer and compromise unless the person that you give that money to specifically know they've worked the Offer and Compromise program. They've been doing this for a number of years and can tell you pretty much exactly what IRS is going to settle for. Anyone who's doing offers and compromise, anybody who've done this for a while is going to tell you what IRS is going to settle for. But what happens if you give someone truly an offer and compromise to work your case, many times they can't take the case because you're not eligible for the offer. It's sad to see how many people have been ripped off thousands, if not millions of dollars by companies wanting to take your money. It's got so bad that IRS put an IRS pre-qualifier on that. You can go and Google IRS pre-qualifier and go ahead and go see what the pre-qualifier tool says. IRS is looking at two things: your income and expenses. That's it. Those are the two main, I don't want to say the only things, those are the two main factors that IRS looks at. So make sure that you don't get ripped off by these companies. Very misleading. I'm just a big caution, big alert. If you want an offer and compromise through, I know the system well, but if I take your case, it's going to get settled because I know you're qualified. But I can't take a lot of cases because you're not. So if you think you're an offer candidate, we're really good, but I'll also tell you the truth. So be very careful before you give your money to anybody if you want to settle your tax debt. I've never seen so much false advertising in the credit industry. Everyone can increase your credit score, but everyone wants to settle your tax debt. Let me just tell you, last year, about 40,000 offers went in. IRS accept 13. So my guess is about 30,000 people got ripped off last year because they didn't know what was really going on from with the firms they use. So anyway, you can always call me, and those are the numbers, by the way. I know what I'm doing. Give me a subscription if you would. I always tell you the truth. I am the IRS Insider. Thank you.